Welcome, my people. Am I tiny gorgeous? Me and my boyfriend broke up.
You don't have a boyfriend?
I'm going to the beach to tan. That is all I'm doing. I'm going to the beach to tan, listen to music, read.
I zoomed in so much.
I'm not going to look for crabs. I'm not going to get in the water.
Put your feet in.
No, the water's cold.
Okay, but it's really hot today. It would probably feel nice.
Could be
I can't
cold
get
out.
my hair in. I did my edges. I know.
I'm dunking you in the water now.
No, you're not.
Eva's gonna bring her sandcastles. I'm gonna take a bucket.
Oh, you better not. I'll hug you right after.
More like this.
No.
Like this.
My sunglasses! Hello! Mom, don't even start with me.
Oh, they're being the vlog.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay, so I'm filming my first day of school. Get ready with me. The first day of school, obviously. And I'm filming it on my sister's phone. And she's gonna post it, I think.
Yeah.
Those are my chicles.
¿Qué comes? Que no me das.
Yeah.
What are you eating? What are you eating? Mom, what are you eating? Ouch now.
Come.
I'm eating a chicken bake.
You look alike. ¿Nos parecemos pa?
¿Qué?
¿Quién te parece? ¿Tú y tu papá?
Yeah.
Let me see your lip. Ya.
Las trompas. El piquillo, ¿verdad?
¿Qué?
El piquillo. Do we
Sí.
look alike? O sea, hasta Renzo también tiene el piquillo, ¿sí? Cuando se despierta, ¿verdad? ¿Cómo hace la trompa? Creo que el piquillo. Muy fuerte.
Apparently me and Estrella look alike. I don't see it. My eyebrows are fudged. Today is not an eyebrow day.
¿Es el Angry Birthday 2.0?
No.
¿Y esa cachetona quién es? Oh,
Tu
tu mamá.
esposa.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Estrella. ¿Por qué eres tan pinche conmigo?
Es para su YouTube.
¿Qué tiene?
Va a ver mi abuelita y te va a regañar.
Doña Mari. ¿Cómo está? Ándale pues.
Mi mamá y sus sobrinas y
Sobrinas,
sus hermanos.
hermanos,
Sandra, subscribe to me.
Sandra, Bere, Lenin. Espero que se encuentren muy bien. ¿Ok? Ok. Bye. Seguiremos con nuestro recorrido. Ahorita estamos aquí comiendo en la Costco. Porque aquí estas niñas y
And he
señora
didn't want to be in my vlog.
quisieron venir a comer un hot dogs.
Ew, I
Pero
wanna
ahorita
pop
vamos a ir
your
a recorrer la playa de
Me too.
Osnar.
It looks like you
Ahorita
have
los voy a
like,
llevar.
A pimple.
¿Alright?
yeah,
Vale,
like
pues.
it's, and it's ready.
Vámonos.
Do I look beautiful?
I'm your videographer.
Is my highlight popping? That's all I care about. But I don't like getting my feet all sandy.
¿Eh?
I don't
You'll
like
get
getting
darker
my
if you get in.
Si te metes al agua y no te vienes al sol, te quemas más rápido.
Who told you that nonsense?
It is true.
We're at the beach. But I'm gonna die.
¿Eh?
I'm gonna
No te
die.
vas a ir a meter hasta adentro. Mira, ya está el salvavidas.
Okay, so I said that. Is he cute? Maybe. Is the lifeguard cute? Is the lifeguard
Está
cute?
adentro.
No sé. Because if he's cute, then I'm gonna die.
Miro a alguien.
Little bit. I'm bringing my phone.
No, don't bring your phone.
I'm bringing my phone. It's not gonna fall.
Okay, if the water comes close, just go like this.
No, I'm gonna go like this. It hasn't even touched me, but I can already feel it.
I wish they could see you. You're going like this.
No. It's no, you're going in too far.
I'm not. I'm literally putting in my feet.
No, you're putting in your legs.
Come
No.
in a little more, like
I am right here.
right here.
That's too right there.
Right here.
In the
A little
middle.
Closer.
Nope.
A little closer.
Look, it's gonna come and it's gonna hit me and I'm gonna drown. Heck yeah!
Okay, move a
Didn't
little.
even touch.
Put like right here. Okay.
Look at my cute little feet.
It's not even gonna touch you.
Fudge,
Okay,
yeah.
come right here.
No. It's coming.
It's not even that cold.
It's so cold.
Not it.
It's so cold.
No, it's not.
I'm drowning.
She over there being too hecka adventurous.
Oh, that's a big one. Record the kite. Hopefully you can see. Oh, look at the birds. Look at the birds. The ducks, the beaks, the things, the flyers.
Pelicans.
They don't look like pelicans.
I think they are. Wait. That looks nice.
What about me?
Oh my god.
I can't see nothing.
You don't get tortured already.
Don't even tell me things like that. You have to lie to me and
I
tell
got
me I'm
dark.
a bronzed goddess.
Just go. Oh my god, they stayed intact. Oh my god. Oh, good. You can see my highlight.
Freaking give me back my phone. You can see my highlight.
Mine too.
My
Yes.
highlight be popping.
I got dark. I was in the water for so long. Like
Look
my
at
back
Jackie.
was hurting
And
earlier.
Emma.
Jackie. Wanna be in a Strays vlog?
You want to be part of my vlog squad? Hashtag campers.
That's our nickname. Of the whole.
Even though we
Friend
technically only went camping once and we didn't even go camping.
Yeah.
We just went to a campground and swam in a pool.
Yeah.
Well, I stood
We
in
just
a
went
pool.
to the campground.
Yeah, and
They
I
stayed.
You stayed. You a legit camper. I camped once and it was alright. Actually,
I was supposed to stay.
yeah, but then
But-
you got
I have got
sick.
No, I did get sick.
Sick.
It's because I didn't eat regular food. I was eating Cheetos all day.
Because you're stupid.
I know, and I have
This is
gastritis.
too much sun for me. It's making me get wrinkles. Watch, I drop it. 1, 2, 3. Ah!
You drop it on yourself.
Ah! The Oxnard Port Wainini Playa.
Why need you?
Yeah, Port Wainini.
I thought it was.
Hunam? Hunam?
I thought you pronounced the H.
Hunaman.
Yeah.
No, it's Wainini.
Wanimi.
Juanimi.
Wanimi.
Juaneme.
Wanimi.
Juan.
We said that at the same time.
The vlog's laughing too. What? Oof.
Oh. I don't know.
Oof.
¿Qué le gusta meterse más al agua o Enrique? ¿Qué le gusta más, meterse al agua o Enrique? ¿Eh?
¿Que a quién le gusta más?
No, que
¿Que a usted qué le gusta más? Meterse, ¿qué preferiría más? ¿Meterse al agua o su marido? Meterme al agua.
Drama! Oof. Oof. Your boyfriend or the water? Wait, what?
Did you drop your AirPod in the sand? She dropped her AirPod in the sand.
Oof.
Wait, what do you prefer, the ocean or your boyfriend?
Oof.
Me too.
I know, I can choose. I can choose.
What? Your boyfriend.
Yeah, that I don't have.
Hasta ahorita estoy reaccionando.
la grabaron,
Por eso se rieron.
Yeah.
We got it on the vlog. She didn't understand the question. No entendió, ¿verdad, reina? No entendió. There? You broke my hand.
Enrique's gonna get mad.
He ain't gonna see the vlog.
Jackie's gonna show him.
Oh, you right. Jackie, are you subscribed?
I don't know. Here, hold on.
Hey, you better subscribe. You say subscribed.
I love you too, Estrella.
Like my Instagram. My new video came out today. It's a vlog. And I look super cute in it. And it's in it too, looking all ugly and stuff. I'm kidding. Actually, no, it came off in my book. You want to see? Look, let's show the vlog. Let's show the vlog in my book. Where my makeup came off because I decided to put my book on my face. There. Can you see?
I probably can.
Can you see my book? No. On my book? All the makeup.
Why'd you do that?
Because I put it on my face because I didn't want to put on my glasses and I didn't want my face to tan so much. So I'm just like, I'm going to put the book on my face. So look, show my belly button. Show my belly button. Look how cute it is. Can you even see it? I can't even see it, but I'm wearing sunglasses. Mommy, I'm going to get one right here.
I'm getting one too.
Yeah, right here.
You won't know. I want to get a tongue piercing too.
This, Mom?
Yeah.
Not even. Don't even start. Freaking kill him. Ajá, yo quiero. Y no me dejan los chicos feos, reina. I'm gonna go get it. Watch me.
I'll go with you.
Okay. He's doing it. He's pretending he's the avatar.
Probably think he's crazy.
Because he is. We're gonna do your dance. Annette, do your dance. You have to put the hood on it.
Oh.
It's part of the effect. So good. Oh, look, it's my mama. She recording us. She recording your dance.
Estrella, I'm vlogging for you. Look, it's Reina. And it's Eva. And then the whole fam bam.
Eva's gonna be famous.
We getting tacos. Tacos.
Club. In the taco club. And then we're in the club. In the taco club. Mom. Mami, ¿qué agarraste? Is your torta delish?
Yes.
Is your burrito delish?
Yes.
Is your tacos delish?
Yes.
Look at my burrito.